Hey everyone, it's Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity throughout the real estate industry. Today I want to talk to you guys about a client that came to us about 6 months ago. They were working with another realtor and lender, and they'd been searching for a property for about 2 years in Orange County. They were very well qualified. They'd saved up a large down payment, but the area that they were looking was very, very competitive. We set out to work and we found them multiple properties that fit their parameters. They wrote offers, but they kept getting beat out. Eventually, we were able to come up with a strategy where we actually were offering over and above the list price of the property that they wanted and using a self-funded buy-down program to get the payment in the range that they want for the first 3 years, because that was very important for them. So they got their offer accepted using that strategy. We were able to check the appraised value on the property, make sure it wouldn't be an issue. And the main thing is they got a home that they love in an area that they want to live. And that was all due to us staying positive, pushing forward, and making great things happen. Don't listen to the news, the doom and gloom. There's great things happening. There are people getting offers accepted. There's dreams coming true. Stay positive, push through. This is Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins.